Hello, Coder 25. This is Andrew, and I'm going to go ahead and show you for our web tutorial assignment how to use Adobe Forms. You can use this in your classrooms to have students answer various questions, either by creating one and printing it and handing it to them, or you can actually have them submit their responses online. I use this actually weekly for our different assignments and forum postings and replies that we need to do for our class. So I'm going to show you how I create that each week, hopefully to help you out either in your own class or for our classes. So the first thing you do is you open up Adobe Forms. It's called Forms Central for Acrobat. It's part of the Acrobat suite that we, I believe, purchased. And you go ahead and you'll create a custom form. You can use one of the templates. In this case, I'm going to use a checklist since this works pretty well with the various things we need to do for our class. So the template we open, it's pretty straightforward. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and change our title to APU EdTech Fall 214 Week 3. Let's change this to Week 3. And then, in this case, I'm going to go ahead and delete all of these. And from here, we can go ahead and insert the various forms and items we need. I've go ahead and created everything that we do need, for example, for our Week 3 assignment. So for here, EdTech 517. And let's make it a little bigger. Center it. And then our first assignment is the web tutorial assignment. So we can go ahead and create web tutorial assignment. And then for here, we can go ahead and insert, in this case you can insert text field here, if you have multiple lines, a date field, email, etc., single choice. I use the multiple choice field, so I can go ahead and put web tutorial assignment, and then here we can see completed. That's it, and then you can go ahead and create it for each one. The next one we had was our Google Hangout recording. Completed. And then if you want to go ahead and we do the forums, a little bit different because we have postings and replies. For example, we have a prayer connection 3 forum. You can change this to post, and then we can actually insert a multiple choice field. Drag that up next to it. Go ahead and make it a little bit smaller, and then I usually would just do it. Reply 1 and reply there, and then oops, reply 2, reply 1. So, and then from there you can go ahead and keep creating it. Obviously, all this stuff below we don't need. We can create our own. So if you go ahead and delete them all, etc. And then once you're done, you would have something that looks similar to, let me get it open. Would look something like this. Let me go ahead and make it a little bit bigger. So this is basically after you've created the form, the assignment, the form will look like this, and then as you complete it, you can check. So as I'm completing this web tutorial assignment, I can click that. And so you can use this as a reference point throughout the week for our classes to know what you've completed, what you haven't. I actually completed the Google Hangout tonight, so I can check that too. And then as I go, you just make sure what you've posted, what you haven't posted. It can help you with your class. Hope you have a great rest of the week. Thank you.